Charts and concept maps can be used by students to investigate their perspectives on a scientific topic and assess their understanding of the connections between disciplines. It aids in capturing the evolution of students' ideas over time, as well as investigating valid understanding and misconceptions held by students. Grade 8 students, for example, can use a spider map chart to organize the information learned during a lesson about soils. Grade 9 students, on the other hand, can utilize a flow chart to consolidate knowledge gained during a lesson on feeding relationships, or more specifically, food chains. Let's take a look at an example of this spider map for the grade 8 classes. Students can begin filling out this chart by writing a description of soil, which can be found in the center of the chart. They will then be tasked with identifying 4 major types of soil. Following that, they will then be asked to provide 2 properties of each soil type they have identified. In the end, they would have discussed what is soil, its various types, and some of its properties. This chart can be used at the end of the lesson in a concluding activity in order to evaluate if students have grasped the concept of the entire lesson. This flowchart can be used by the grade 9 students as either a stage 3 development activity or a concluding activity. Students will be divided into groups of 4 and will be asked to identify the names associated with each trophic level. Students will then be asked to add a description and an examples of the identified trophic levels. By the end of these activities, students would have successfully constructed a food chain and the feeding relationship that exists between each trophic level. Benefits of using cycles and charts. These diagrams are helpful for leading brainstorm sessions or structuring ideas because they enable the students to quickly understand the connections between concepts. They assist in comprehending complex ideas by breaking them down, visualizing the relationships between ideas, organizing thoughts, and understanding how different parts of a system interact with one another. Teaching methods to utilize charts and cycles. The experiential method, which employs exploratory strategies, is a teaching method that can make use of cycles and charts. The experiential method engages students in direct experience with a goal of increasing knowledge, developing skills, and clarifying values. This method includes the cooperative learning strategy. A cooperative learning strategy is a type of group work in which 2 or more students work together to achieve the common goal of mastering specific academic materials and sample approaches.